The Defender lineup expands with an array of exciting new offerings, including the luxurious Defender 130 Outbound. The latest additions to the Defender lineup include the stunning Defender 130 Outbound, the powerful Defender 130 V8, and the heritage-inspired County Exterior Pack for the Defender 110. These new offerings present more options for Defender enthusiasts, ensuring the perfect combination of off-road prowess and unmatched comfort. Inside the Defender 130 Outbound, customers can choose between luxurious full Windsor leather or durable resist fabric, tailored to suit any lifestyle. The interior is finished in ebony, featuring an ebony morzine headliner, robust-deck veneer, and the iconic satin black powder coat brushed crosscar beam. The Defender 130 Outbound is designed with practicality in mind, featuring durable rubber floor matting and ample storage for all your adventure essentials. With lashing points and a new cargo net, securing your gear has never been easier. Equipped with intelligent all-wheel drive system, terrain response, electronic air suspension, and adaptive dynamics as standard, the Defender 130 Outbound offers exceptional 4x4 capabilities. The electronic air suspension ensures smooth progress across any terrain. The Defender 130 Outbound boasts an impressive towing capacity of up to 3,000 kilograms, making it perfect for hauling jet skis, boats, caravans, and trailers. Its air suspension simplifies hitching, allowing the rear of the vehicle to be raised and lowered with ease. Available with petrol and diesel ingenium power, both engine options incorporate mild hybrid electric vehicle technology for optimal performance and efficiency. The Defender 130 V8 joins the lineup, featuring a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers 500 horsepower and 610 Newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.7 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. The interior exudes luxury with heated and cooled electric driver memory seats, a suede cloth heated steering wheel, and a host of cutting-edge technologies. These thrilling additions to the Defender lineup, including the Defender 130 Outbound, Defender 130 V8, and Defender 110 with County Exterior Pack, are available to order now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.